Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Midea 3-in-1 portable air conditioner has stopped cooling properly, or is showing a full tank indicator, there's a strong chance that water has built up inside the unit and needs to be drained. These portable ACs collect moisture from the air during operation, and while some models evaporate it automatically, excess humidity can still cause the internal tank to fill up. When that happens, the unit may pause or reduce performance until it's emptied. Many users aren't sure where to drain the water or how to do it safely, but the process is actually simple if you follow the correct method. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to drain your Midea portable air conditioner and get it running smoothly again. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the air conditioner and unplug it from the power source. Step 2. Place a container or tray under the drain outlet to collect water. Step 3. Locate the lower drain plug at the back of the unit. Step 4. Remove the drain plug carefully to allow water to flow out. Step 5. Wait until all the water is completely drained from the unit. Step 6. Reinsert the drain plug securely and plug the unit back in.